Damn, BT.
Know a couple shooters that hit you on the block. Ain't a janitor, but I hit you with a mop. Better watch your friends, they quick to turn the odds. And that bitch nigga will play you for a thought. Ain't no Star Wars, yeah, my shit go TikTok. Jumping in out the bendo like it's hopscotch. My nigga in the kitchen and he whipping in the pot. Watch me see him twirl, then he drop. Gotta cut the limo just to cut the top. They be like, geez, why you always hot? 2019, we shooting videos on yachts. They be on the bike, he be doing top o'clocks. And I'm clipping on you niggas like a dreadlock. And my team winning and we ain't gon' stop. Bad little cheese and she suck on my cock. Nigga want smoke with me, we blow him like a tree. You niggas can't compete with a young nigga like me. And I know you wonder when GC going under. You can never see me, I'll call you Stevie Wonder. Neck so cold, it gon' probably make you stutter. A nigga like me, I don't know no other. When you on top, niggas quick to call you brother. And they be the same niggas be undercover. I keep a lethal weapon like my name, Danny Glover. While you niggas always hate, always talk shit, never say it to your face. Two bad bitches and they want a little taste. They sent me in the jungle with gorillas and apes. Niggas wanna ride my way, I haven't dropped a tape. You don't like my music, but you can't escape. Especially when they play my shit in every state. I always chase the bag, I can never be late. Nigga want smoke with me, we blow him like a tree. You niggas can't compete with a young nigga like me. Nigga want smoke, give it to him, let him choke. Take me for a joke, you'll get your ass poked. Wanna be like Jeezy, boy, you better take some notes. Try to scheme on me, you can never be that low. Your girl wanna fuck, she meet me backstage every show. Two-tone drip, my rollie shine.